How to create Scarlet bank account. Hi there, in today's video I'll guide you through the simple process of creating a Scarlet bank account online, so let's get started. Open your web browser and go to the Scarlet Bank website at scarlet.com, and you can also download the Scarlet Bank app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Now, on the home page, find and click on the sign up button to begin the registration process. Fill in your name, email address, date of birth and residential address. Make sure your details are accurate. Choose a username and create a strong password for your account, and this will be used to secure your account. To meet security and regulatory requirements, you'll need to verify your identity by uploading a photo ID. Read through the terms and conditions and privacy policy and click I agree to proceed. Add your bank account details or prepaid debit card to fund your Scarlet account. This step is necessary to begin using your account, and once everything is filled out, click submit to send your application for approval. After approval, your Scarlet bank account will be activated and you can begin managing your finances. And that's it, you've successfully created a Scarlet bank account. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and check out more tutorials on our channel. Thanks for watching.